Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. In this video, we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Mijia portable compressor for your bicycle and cars. If you encountered a flat tire, this is a nifty gadget to use. Okay, so I bought this in Lazada last April 4th. So there was a sale for sale. It's around 1,500 pesos or $30. And I have encountered 3 times already wherein I got a flat tire. I found this Xiaomi portable air pump. I've been meaning to get this one, so finally it has arrived. So let's give a brief description of this one. So it's a portable air pump, so wherein you can just handily use it on or with your emergency. So you can use it in your bicycle, your motorcycles, or even with your balls, no? Basketball, soccer ball, whatever. Okay. So upon opening the box, this is what you can find. So you have the unit itself. Okay, we'll take a look at this one close up later. So in the accessories portion, we have the needle. This is for your balls, and this is the thing that you use for your tires. Okay, and you have the micro USB cable, and other end is the USB type A, and you have the instruction manual, which is in Chinese. I do not know how to read Chinese. And you have a very nice bag to put in everything. And oh, look, there's a mini pouch here, so it will be used to carry the small items here. Let's take a look at the close-up shots. Okay, so on the side, it is made out of plastic. Okay, at the bottom, okay, I would assume the bottom is where you charge. So you have the micro USB cable here. So now we're going to demonstrate on how to use this Xiaomi air pump. So instead of pushing a button, you just lift up the hose and it will turn on its own. Now you have here the up and down button. So the up and down button corresponds to the PSI. Okay. So you can choose up to I think 150 PSI. Okay. Or you can choose one of the presets. So you press this button. Okay, so you have the bicycle. There's a bicycle icon there. You have a motorcycle icon, and you have a car, and you have a ball. So depending on the tires or the vehicle that you'll be inflating, you choose the right preset, or you can choose it manually. Okay, so for example, I wanted to have a 30 psi. Just press up or down. Now this is there is a built-in lighting, so in case you're in the dark. So let me press it, and there's a light here. Okay, so you can turn it on and off. So whenever you are at night, you'll be able to use this one. Very handy tool. Okay, so what else? No, there are different adapters here. This, again, as I mentioned, this is for the ball, and you have this one for the tires. Okay, so the way to do it is you have to screw it in the nozzle. So for example, this one. So you can just screw it in. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so then you plug this into your tire what do you call this, tire nozzle, and make sure it's correctly in place. And you turn on the portable. Okay, the way to turn on is to press this button. Now, just a fair warning, if you're wearing a headphone, this one, when I press this one, it's gonna be loud. Okay, so let's demonstrate. So when you press that button, it will turn on, and compressed air will be coming from this nozzle, obviously. Now, just for kicks, let's try to inflate a balloon. So using the adapter, the normal adapter, let's try to pump this out. So you set the PSI to the balloon, and let's see. A warning again, if you're wearing headphones, this is gonna be a little noisy, and hopefully it will not pop. Okay, so the way to do it is you press this one to turn it on. As you can see, it was able to inflate the balloon. Okay, if you find it a little slow, you can adjust the PSI. So make it, say, like a tire, a bicycle, and okay. There. See? But then again, it's hard to hold the balloon because, you know, the pressure. Now we're going to test to inflate this basketball. As you can see, when I bounced it a while ago, it's totally, you know, not usable. So, and see, cannot play with this ball. So all you have to do is insert the needle in the nozzle and choose the appropriate settings. Okay, and find the hole. So you have the hole here, and let's try it out. I don't know how long this will take, but hopefully not too long. And you turn it on. So I can slowly feel the pressure. Oh, I didn't press anything. It stopped on its own. So, well and good. Okay, so let's try it out. So now we're going to test the air pump with the real tire. So initially we are setting it at 34. So first, of course, you have to unscrew the tire nozzle. And screw in the hose. Make sure it's nice and tight to prevent any air leaks. So then you can set the pressure. We are currently at 33, so we are setting at 34, and we just turn it on, and it's now pumping air. Now we are fast forwarding the video as this one automatically stops when you reach the desired pressure of 34. Okay, so it stopped, and we can now remove, and it's done. Welcome back. So allow me to share my impressions and a quick review of the Xiaomi air pump. Now we tested 3 items in this video. So first, the balloon. Okay, for the balloon, actually the Xiaomi air pump is not built to inflate the balloon, primarily because it's not a there's no proper adapter to properly hold the balloon. However, it's still better than using a ordinary manual pump like this one. So you can adjust the pressure to a higher level so that the balloon will be inflated faster. Okay. Secondly, we tried to inflate the basketball. Now, as you notice in the video, the basketball is not fully deflated, but still won't be able to play with it. So what you can do is just use this one, the needle, and put it in the nozzle of the Xiaomi air pump and plug it in the basketball and press the on button. It should inflate it in probably in 2 minutes, so allow you to play your game. And third, we use the air pump, of course, for the tires. Now I demonstrated how to use the Xiaomi air pump with the tires. Now just a quick correction. Now you don't need to use this one for ordinary car tires. Okay, so you don't need to use this one because this is for a different, I think this is for bicycle or a different kind of tires. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, you can set it to the 30 plus PSI depending on your car, and this device will automatically stop when you reach that pressure, which is a good thing. You don't want to overinflate your tire. Okay, so, and we're not able to test the flashlight because we use a ring light during our filming, but it is very useful in case of emergency, or if you're changing tires or you're trying to inflate your tires at night. Now, the things that I would like to see for an improvement for this one. Okay, number one, I wish that the hose will be a little longer. Okay, as you can see in the video. Okay, if your tire pin is on top, so you have to let it, you have to reach it from the top, and I don't feel comfortable letting this hang, okay, from using this screw only. So it will, as you saw in my video, I had to hold it. Okay, so I wish it could be an option to make it longer, or there's an extension to make sure that the air pump is firmly on the ground, and this one will reach the tire pin. Okay. Now, another added feature I hope that they could improve on is there is a device where you can put an adapter here that is an automatic latch on to your tire pin. I'll put a link of the picture somewhere here. Maybe I can show you the picture, or maybe I'll put a link where to buy that also. And that way, if you need to inflate 4 tires, you don't have to keep on turning this knob, and it will save you some time. So it's just a little device that you can include in your pouch together with these things, and saves you a lot of time. And yeah, and I hope that the air pump can inflate faster. The charging time actually is I have not tested it because I used it right out of the box, but it was able to test with all three things. So if there's a light here, that will show up when you pull it out. So there's a white light. So if your battery is at 50% and above, it is a white light. If it's 20% and below, it will be a red light. So you know when to charge your air pump. Okay. So what are the positive things about this one? What I like. Okay. So basically, it is very portable, very handy. So as you can see, it can fit in a small bag, and you can put it in your car compartment. It will not eat up a lot of space, and it's very affordable, 1,500 pesos or $30. And sometimes you can catch it on sale, maybe get it a little cheaper, maybe $1,000 or $20. Still a very good deal. Now for emergency use, this is definitely a value for money. You can buy this one readily, and who knows, you never know when you're gonna need it. Okay, so there's a new one I know that's coming up. Okay, so if you want to buy the new one, it's okay, but for this one, I think this is already a good gadget for all of you who are car enthusiasts or bicycle enthusiasts, or maybe you want to have a quick air pump, handy air pump with you all the time. Now you can actually, I don't know if you can buy a sort of an adapter or a hanging hinge. You can actually strap this in your bag, so when you go ride your bike, you can make sure that it's there. So there you have it, guys, the Xiaomi air pump, a very handy gadget for everybody. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see more of these kinds of things, and please put comments down below. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a good day, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.